Guys, Big Bang Becker here. So yesterday, a beautiful thing happened. I would consider it beautiful, and it was accidental as well. So what had happened was I forgot to switch off my camera somehow, and I had just mounted it on my helmet, thinking that it was off, and I was riding back home from my work, and at that time, it kind of started drizzling a little, and I was like, okay. I'm in deep shit now because it will start raining heavily next, and I might get totally drenched, which I'm totally fine with. I do that. I do that all the time. If it rains, I make sure that I'll get drenched to all the clothes that I have on my body. Okay, I hope you understood that point. Yeah, I do that. So, fortunately, I did not get drenched yesterday because it drizzled for a couple of minutes and then it became very heavy for a while, and then I escaped it. So what happened was my camera was on for exactly 15 minutes, and it has recorded 15 minutes of footage where it has just started drizzling, and it went full blast and it started raining very heavily. I was always skeptical of my camera, thinking that okay, a proper rain footage wouldn't be captured on my camera because it is tuned and it's not a GoPro. To have that clarity, to have that visibility in rain and everything, you know. But then I had adjusted the lens of my camera such that the clarity will be very good. Yeah, I had adjusted such that the clarity will be very good, and you know what? Here is the footage of that rain which happened, and it's fantastic. Just feel it. I will assure you that you will feel it falling on your face. You know, it's that good. There you go.
Uncle, I'm Santosh uncle. What's your good name?
ಅಂಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಣ್ಣ
ಸರಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ನಲ್ಲ ಪೇರಿನ
ಕನ್ನಡ ಕನ್ನಡ
ಕನ್ನಡವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು
ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ.
ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ. ಓಜೋ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇರಾ
Wonderful, isn't it? I really loved that part, and now, yeah, it's raining again here, and I'm making sure to ride in the rain, vlog about the rain that happened yesterday, and enjoying the beautiful weather of Bangalore. A biker is the happiest when he rides off road. It's not always the highways that gives a biker a fun time. Rather, it's riding in rain like this, riding off road and having the fun. You know, going to places to enjoy the scenic beauty. All these things makes a biker very happy. You know, it is very peaceful. Well, yeah, this was. Yeah. Why did I want to share this footage or vlog with you? Was because when I was a kid, as I've told you the cycle story already, I used to love riding in rain. You know, just go around the place. There were not many roads as such. There were more potholes than before, and there would be pile of water everywhere. Let me just wipe the screen. Yeah, there would be pile of water everywhere, and me and my childhood friends would just go around the place with less traffic, and so we used to splatter water everywhere, and we used to have loads of fun, man. If we trained, didn't matter whether we had exams, school, college, tuitions, whatever it was, we used to just, we used to be in sync. There was no mobile at the time, there was no Facebook, there was no WhatsApp, but our connectivity to rain was such that if it rained, we would all be outside the house with our cycles, and we used to have loads of fun. I recently did this again with my bike, uh, where it started raining, and I told my mom, I'm going out. And she was like, dude, you're on a 300cc bike. It's not a cycle. You shut the fuck up and stay back at your home, stay back in your room, And I was like, Mom, just once I'll try. And yeah, I went out. And I had some fun, but nowadays the traffic is too much, and so it will get you frustrated more than fun. So that happened. Well, yeah, I know each and every one who's out there enjoys riding in rain. Enjoys that smell of sand when it just starts to rain. Man, none of us can explain it how good that feeling is, but we all like to ride in the rain. So that is what this vlog was about. If you also do the same things like me, like riding in rain or something like that, enjoying it, going out just for the sake of riding in rain, then please do comment in the section below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, do tell your friends. Yeah, I'm trying to make good vlogs and make sure you guys are entertained. Hope you had fun watching this video. Do share it, like it, and thanks a lot. Have a great day, and if you are in Bangalore, you know how beautiful the weather is. Have a great time in Bangalore weather. Bye bye.